In this video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and zoom into the area where the teeth are clearly visible so that you can work with more precision. From the left-hand side of your screen, select the Lasso Select tool. If you do not see it directly, it may be grouped with other selection tools. So right-click on the selection icon and choose the Lasso Select tool from the menu. Once the tool is selected, carefully click and drag around the teeth to make an initial selection. At this stage, you do not need to be perfectly accurate, as you will refine the selection in the next step. After that, go to the top left side of your screen and enable the Subtract option from the selection controls. With this active, draw around the gums and any unwanted areas to remove them from the selection, so that only the teeth remain selected. Zoom in as needed to make your selection as clean and precise as possible. After refining the selection, move to the bottom right side of your screen and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon. Then choose Hue/Saturation from the list. A settings panel will appear where you can adjust the color properties. Locate the saturation slider and drag it toward the left to reduce the saturation, which will gradually remove the yellow tones from the teeth and make them appear whiter. Be careful not to decrease the saturation too much, as this can make the teeth look unnatural or grey. You can also slightly adjust the lightness slider by moving it toward the right to give the teeth a more natural brightness and improve the overall appearance. Once you are satisfied with the result, your teeth will look cleaner and more realistic. And this is how you can whiten teeth in Photopea.